Good afternoon and good evening, traders. Welcome to the daily recap for October 31st. Happy Halloween, everybody, by the way. So today, a little bit of a choppier day on the market. We, had a huge run up on Friday. We were extended to the upside. We ended up just holding this range all day today. We didn't really trade the SPX too much just because we knew it was going to be choppy and a little bit more difficult to trade. But we did have a couple trades on it we can talk about. Basically, was leaning a little bit more on the bearish. Neutral side out the gate looking for the gap fill, which ended up filling pretty quickly. Not quite quickly, but at the end of the day when we were holding this range. Traded a couple individual names today, but overall fairly choppy. Equity side, we were on Tesla. Long out the gate for 4 points, and then we did trade it off the lows there for a couple more points, about 7 points in total on that. Not bad. UNH, we were long for 2 points on this one. I love the breakout to the all-time highs there, and I think we can get continuation next couple days, so definitely worth keeping an eye on. Did trade some NVIDIA short this morning for about 2 points on that one. HKD long this morning for 2 points on that, which is pretty decent. We tried it again in the afternoon, and it ended up not working, so we ended up getting out of that one pretty flat. BA long for 2 points as well. This afternoon held that 50 MA, had a nice little flag break, and we got some good continuation there. FedEx as well, we traded this one long, and we got about a point on that one. This also looks fantastic on the daily and is definitely worth paying attention to. So keep an eye on that. On the option side, a couple other names that we did. So SPX, end of the day, on the SPY. We traded the SPX based off of this little dip on the SPY, and we did the 3880s for 160% on those. That was pretty nice. Win 65 calls out the gate for 137%. Meta 90 puts for 104%, held those all day. Then we actually ended up flipping into 95 calls on EMA support, reclaim for about, let's call it 18 cents to the upside on those 95 calls, which is okay. CGC 4 calls for 75%, XOM 113 calls for 60%. Got to give a shout out to Citrini on CGC as well. He shouted that one out, which was fantastic. GME 33 calls on this little dip here for 54%, and then there's a couple other scalps like Sava for 25%. SPX, we traded it a couple times for like 24%, 30%. We had one trade that didn't work on it as well. And it was pretty much just waiting all day after the morning on the option side, especially. On the equity side, we did also have SONN short for about 20 cents into the close. And then we had some things that didn't work as well. Like we tried some DE long that ended up not working. We had some Netflix long, which ended up working for about 2 points to the upside at the end of the day there, which is an okay trade. NSP, we tried this one as well, and this one ended up not working. Unfortunately, it did push up a little bit, but not enough for us to really want to take some profit on it. So it is what it is there. Anyways, guys, that's it. A little bit of a choppy day. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Of course, first day of the month. Typically, new money gets put to work. We get some nice action. SPY, no longer extended. So I'm thinking market probably stays range bound before the FOMC. And we do see some action on individual base names that, new money's getting just put to work on. So that's about it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and you have a great rest of your day. We stream every single day from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Go to SpartanTrading.com. You can sign up there to trade with us. Have a good one, guys. Enjoy.